regarded this earth with envious eyes.
My firepower keep me warm, I'm trapped in the storm, hustling to be free, and fuck the world till I'm gone. Fully equipped, busting your shit, making you bleed.
As we bless the earth, so let us pour the wine.
Bitches, my firepower keep me warm, I'm trapped in the storm. Word is born, you get gone, and fuck the world till I'm gone.
Come through Scar City, put a mark on your town. What?
You never know when Scar City gonna start bombing.
Take that shit and pass it by. Laugh high, die satisfied. Dog, don't ask me why. Try your hand at chess, make moves and watch you play. These fucking dudes is oxymorons, they straight gay. I stay claim, California on your take aim. Break change in the lab, creating for your fake brains. Make pain and push it in the streets in MP3. Empty me and find elements that you can't get on MTV. Envy me for not giving a fuck, they stuck on industry. Tempting me to kill them all, they crawl to where they mamas be. Honestly, a lot of shit I be hearing is comedy. Ironically, fools is funny style, I guess it ought to be. This run the show like the coordinator made it. Saying I ain't dope, like saying fucking is overrated. Put it in and play it, I paid it, the dues I waited. All the shit I stayed